Hello guys, now we are going to a topic called insertion sort. What is meant by insertion sort algorithm? Sorting is the process of arranging a list of elements in particular order. I mean in ascending order. Insertion sort algorithm arranges a list of elements in particular order. In insertion sort algorithm, every iteration moves an element from unsorted position to sorted position. Here we have to take an array of elements, and first element is always sorted. Now we are sorting. Insertion sort algorithm arranges a list of elements in particular order. We have to pick an element from unsorted sublist, and we have to sort in that sorted sublist. This is known as insertion sort algorithm. Insertion sort algorithm is performed using the following steps. Step 1. Assume the first element in list is a sorted position and all the remaining elements are in unsorted position. Take a first element from unsorted position and insert the element into the sorted position in order specified. Repeat the process until the given loop is sorted. And now the logic about the insertion sort algorithm. Logic. Insertion sort logic. For I equal to 1 to size 1, temp equal to list of I. You have to take a temporary element and store in I, where I value equal to 1, j equal to I minus 1. While temp is less than list of j and j greater than 0. List of j equal to j minus 1. We have to taking the while loop, which is very easy to convert. List of j equal to list of j minus 1, where j equal to j minus 1. List of j equal to temp. Let us take an example to sort an insertion sort algorithm complexity. Okay, now we are taking the example. I am taking a random example with the elements 15, 20, 10, 30, 50, 18, 5 and 45. Here the first element called 15 is always sorted. I already told that in an array it consists of sorted and unsorted sublist. We have to take first element as always a sorted element, and the remaining element up 20 to 45 is an unsorted list. We have to pick an element from unsorted list and keep in sorted list. This is known as insertion sort. Now we are comparing 20 with 15. 20 is greater than 15. Then no need to sort. So it is get sorted. 15 and 20 get sorted. Now we are comparing with the next element 10. 10 is less than 20. So 20 get sorted to right position. Now 15, 20, 10, 15, 20 get sorted. Now the sorted part, first element 30 is compared with 20. It is 30 is greater than 20. No need, 30 is kept in the same position and 30 is compared with 15. It's also kept in same position. Now 10, 15, 20 and 30 get sorted. Now next element. Like this we have to sort all the elements, and the sorted order is in increasing order. 10, 15, 20, 30, 50, 18 and 45. This is also our sorted order. To sort an unsorted list with n number of elements, we need to make 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to n minus 1. We have to take this order. And if the list is already sorted, then it requires n number of comparisons. Worst case is n2 and best case is n, and average case is O of n2. Implementation of insertion sort algorithm using C programming language. We have now in C programming language we are telling about insertion sort algorithm. Now we have to take hash include stdio.h. It is a header file, standard input and output header file, and we are taking hash include a conio.h header file. Now void main int size, we have to declare the integer variable size ij temporary variable, and list of array of 100 elements. Printf size of array size enter the size of list. Scanf percentage d and size. Printf enter percentage d integer values. For I equal to 0, I less than size and incremented by I. Scanf percentage d and I list. Insertion sort logic. For I equal to 1, I less than size and I plus plus. Temporary variable equal to list of I. J equal to I minus 1, where temp is less than list of j and j is greater than or equal to 0. List of j plus 1 equal to list of j. J equal to j minus 1. List of j plus 1 equal to temp. Printf the list after sorting order is for I equal to 1 and I less than size and incremented by plus plus. Printf percentage d and list of I and get search.